My name is Akash. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Botmetric. I lead the engineering of the product, and today I would like to talk about something. So first of all, I'd like to introduce Botmetric first. So Botmetric is a cloud management software for managing your cloud expenses. So the three major components of Botmetric are your cost, your security and compliance, and ops and automation. As we all know that the cloud gives you a lot of flexibility. So with a lot of flexibility or freedom comes a lot of responsibility, and which is where our product fits in and comes in. But today what I would like to talk about is the ops and automation piece that we have been working on and are really looking at making it even bigger. So as the cloud adoption has increased, so has the number of servers or the number of applications or diverse set of applications which are running on cloud. So since cloud is a marked improvement over the standard infrastructure in a data center, so have the applications been. So the same way the applications have also evolved to be very sophisticated. So the traditional, what this has led to in turn is the amount of monitoring data that these systems generate. So some things which were earlier running on 100 servers due to scale and the flexibility of the cloud now are running on thousands of servers. So when these servers are generating lot of, so as you can understand, the more servers you have, the more monitoring or the more monitoring is something that you have to do. So as a result, it's not an easy task. One, we cannot obviously have, because it's the 21st century, we obviously cannot have hundreds of people looking after the machines. So we need a lot of automation. So for that, this is where Botmetric comes in, and this is what I'm really excited about, and this is what we are planning to do in the future. And we have already started on this journey. So what Botmetric does in ops and automation is a lot of tasks which earlier required human intervention have been automated. So Botmetric provides you a way to actually automate them without human intervention. Just to take an example, for example, if the disk volume of particular machine goes above 80, the disk usage goes above 85%, and that is when you want to do a log rotation and push the logs to S3. Now earlier in the earlier days, an alert would be raised, an ops engineer would be taking care of would be getting an email, the guy would be logging into the box, if in the worst case scenario it might be 2 in the morning, the guy would have to take permission of either wake somebody up or take the permission from that guy, do the manual log rotation and go back to sleep. This is something that we want to just get rid of. So what a system does is we have a very good integration with lot of standard monitoring systems which are present out there. These monitoring systems generate a lot of alerts. Now in Botmetric, what you can do is, based on these alerts, we correlate these alerts into an actionable incident, and related to that incident you can have automated triggers which get invoked when that condition happens. So you could have an automated solution wherein whenever disk usage goes above 85%, a cron is trigger or our system triggers a job, which is some jobs we have already predefined in a system, but the user is free to create his own custom jobs, and these jobs when triggered would take care of the same thing. So these are some of the things. So I would say this is just the fundamental of what we want to achieve. This is just the basement. We want to build a lot of intelligence on top of it. For example, we want now, since the alerts are coming in, we have tons of data. We already are processing tons of data which is coming from monitoring system of our lot of customers. Now we want to add intelligence on top of it. So that would mean that we take in a lot of data, we make sense out of it, and if we can do, since this information is coming from various sources. Today we have plethora of monitoring systems, so the data could be coming in from any of the monitoring systems. So now we want to get the data, correlate it, do an automated RCA, and in the best case do the resolution itself, or in the worst case give an intelligent RCA. Now this intelligence is the part which could be like 0 to 100%, is the part which if the system is not able to determine on itself what it needs to do, it would send it to a human, and the human would have a complete list of RCA the system has done, although it may not have been able to reach to a conclusion as to what needs to be done. So this is what we are actually working on right now, and it's very much a work in progress, and I'm personally really excited about it, and so I just wanted to discuss about it.